Hi, Bridge Instructors. This is Jolene Shields. I wanted to show you a little training video. We're no longer using WebAdvisor. We're going to be using self-service. So let me show you how to access self-service and what you can find in it. So you go to the Santiago Canyon College website. You access self-service here. You'll need to scroll down and click here as well. You log into self-service, and here under faculty, this is where you're going to be finding your classroom, your classes. Here's one of my classes. You click on your class and then it will give you your roster. You will also do your drops from this menu and your grading. Okay, and when you do your drops, there's two different ways to drop someone. You can drop someone who's never attended, or if they have attended, put their last day of their attendance and their final grade. And then once you do that, you'll also have to go over to grading and give them a final grade in that class in order for them to be dropped from your roster. Another thing that you can get to on self-service is if you click on the hamburger here and go to employment, you can get to your web attendance tracking. You can check your college email and you can get to your paycheck all right here, all from using self-service in this menu. If you have any questions, please send me an email. Thanks.